Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll be giving a recipe for chicken drumsticks and chicken lollipops. So the basic materials will be the same, it's just the shape that will decide what type of thing it is. So the first thing you do is you get 2 pounds of minced chicken, then 3 handfuls of chopped cabbage. Then 2 onions are chopped and drained. They're drained so that they don't break when they're being fried. Then 5 green chilies and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste for flavor. 3 teaspoons of black pepper. Then salt 2 teaspoons or as needed. And then 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of corn flour, and then mix it. And then once it's that color, then add half an egg. And then mold the shape of the drumstick. It'll be sort of circular as shown. And then fry on low to medium heat. And then, if you want a lollipop shape, you can just flatten it a tiny bit, as well as smooth, rounding the edges. And then after it's golden brown, remove them and wait for them to cool off, and we're done. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hope you enjoyed the recipe.